Oh.
Your oh daddy face?
I'm no longer interested in this conversation.
Hey, what's up, guys? Beau and Ronnie, local losers. Today we are going to white letter the tires on the fun truck. We're actually about to do some work on the computer and get them all designed and printed up, and then we'll cut them out. We'll go through the whole process. We're going to take you through the process kind of step by step. We're going to hurry though so it doesn't get too dull.
Because I know a 40-minute video.
I know you get tired of staring at Ronnie, but don't worry. I'll be in the center of the camera the whole time. So I designed the stickers on Photoshop. It's not too difficult to do. Let me move this around so you can see Ani's ruggly face.
Can you talk there?
No, apparently not.
Yeah, be careful. It's too
How does
heavy.
that do?
Oh, do you twist it to lock it?
I think so. I think it's like a twist lock thing.
Interesting. That's a little better.
I wonder if they can hear us okay.
Yeah, we're inside.
Alright.
Okay.
You're so small back there. Look how small you are in the frame.
Oh, I'm a little guy.
Ronnie's a little guy. I'm a big man. You know how it goes. Anyway, so I designed the stickers on Photoshop.
The decals. The
Yes.
stencils.
I print them out on vinyl, 8.5 by 11, and then I cut them out. So they end up kind of being like stickers, but they end up being a stencil, really.
We're having some technical difficulties. Beau doesn't know what color white is. So we got some clear stuff. Now we're supposed to be getting the white stuff. Hopefully we get something printed off here soon.
A little wasted vinyl. We just put it on a piece of little paper. Nice. Let's see. What are you laughing at?
You nice.
So now what we do is we cut these letters out, and then we cut the middles out of the letters, like the R's and the D's. The R's, if you can tell, have little stars in them. I thought it was cute. And we got to cut the middle out of the D, and we keep those. So when we use our stencil, we can put them in the appropriate places. Then we stick it on the tire, tape the tire off, and go to work.
Yeah, I totally did this.
Ronnie won't cooperate with my Fortnite times. What are you doing?
I don't know. I think it'll work, dude.
It looks weird.
It's kind of.
Yeah, that's totally not gonna work. Anyways, these are the some of the stickers that I printed out to put on the fun truck. They're pretty big, which I like. They'll stand out really good. I've only got these three, one for each side.
3 for each side.
What?
3 for each side.
Yeah, I've got this 6, 3 for each side. But I plan on printing out some more.
Derek's calling me.
What does he want?
So, jeez. Shameless plug. We still got some stickers, guys. Don't worry about those. Just these. And we're working on some more. We got another one coming out, and we can print more of any one of these if you guys want one. Just let us know. Hit us up in the DM on Instagram.
So one thing I really like about this font, it's big and blocky, and the S's are real square. I like that. They also have these cool stars for the inside of the R.
You already talked about
They go
stars.
right here.
You said they were cute.
What?
I said you already talked about stars. You said they were cute.
If you will notice, the ends are backwards. That's in the font. It's part of the font. And I don't know. I kind of like it. I think it's neat. I mean,
To me,
You
ends
know.
are always backwards.
you won't know because you can't read.
Exactly. What does this say? Butt turner?
Ronnie's taking forever because he decided not to cut out the backing. He's just cutting out the letters. He's cutting out the vinyl portion instead of the vinyl and the backing, like I did.
It doesn't take any longer because of doing that.
I finished way before you did.
Yeah, but maybe it's because you've already done this once.
Possibly. Possibly.
What are you doing?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, this was part of the original idea for the truck. The original idea was to make it look like a vintage Baja truck with, you know, the livery, the racing stickers, the wear and tear, all that. So this is part of it. So we're about to stick these stickers on the side. I've got some more to print out. I figure we'll probably have between 10 and 15 stickers per side. And we'll just do them symmetrical. You know, we'll do a mirror image on the other side.
Ish.
So
As
that's
best
what
we
we're doing
can,
now.
right?
Yeah, as best we can.
We're not going to measure from the light to the sticker and all that.
Right. Right now I'm just trying to get the backing off this stupid vinyl.
We were just talking about like having an expensive vinyl cutter that can cut the backing at a different size than the vinyl and blah, 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 blah. Bo was like, how hard is this to get a sticker off?
I did say that. I totally said that.
Like I was talking to Ted, and Ted's like, yeah,
So, I got one of the tires all taped up and covered, but Justin, the Badger, came by in his giant truck to talk about American car stuff, apparently. But since that's what we're doing today, that works in quite nicely.
Honey Badger don't give a damn.
That's the Badger.
Yeah, I don't know.
So we got it all prepped, ready for paint.
I try to help him.
We're gonna paint it. You gotta get the face. That's my old face.
Your daddy face?
Yeah.
I'm no longer interested in this conversation.
More videos should turn out like this.
Yeah, let's
Like this video if you like what we're shooting.
Pretty white as it is.
All done. Now Bo has a white blob on his tire.
White blob.
Next!
So now we got to tape off the other part and do that.
Do you roll the truck forward?
Yeah.
Oh,
Once
okay.
we take all this off.
Alright. Watch this, it's gonna be off.
Do you
So
get
I
the
can stick
shifter
this on the
lower?
other side without even like messing it up.
Part 2. We're gonna put desert right here. And then runner right there.
Yeah, that'll work, right? It's different.
Nobody will understand it. It'll just say ERT later. We should have put 2 S's in here.
For dessert?
Yeah.
Dude, dessert run.
We should put that on the BMW when it's done. Put that on the tires of it.
That's such a good idea.
People will be like, what? I'll be like, yeah, I take it to go get ice cream.
They'll be like, yeah, I get it. It's just stupid.
I thought it was funny.
I should leave it like that.
Done.
Spritzed. A spritzer of white paint. Should work right there.
Done.
So done.
Alright, bye guys. Just kidding, we're back.
We're back. We're peeling the vinyl off while it's wet, while the paint's wet, so we can get a nice crisp line, according to Ronnie Power.
That's how you do it, dude.
He says that. That's what he says.
That's how you do plasti dip. I don't know if paint is the same, but that's how you do plasti dip. I watched some Fonzie on dipyourcar.com.
Fonzie.
That's his name, Fonzie. Isn't that a funny name to actually name somebody that?
It is. Did you ever watch Happy Days?
I mean, my
You know what
mom.
Happy Days
my
is?
mom did.
Okay, so you know what it is.
Yeah.
You know who the Fonz is.
Yeah, the Fonz.
Fonzarelli.
The Fonz. Doesn't he do 2 thumbs up?
Hey.
Yeah.
That is him. All right, let me get my razor blade. I'll get these stars out.
Uh-oh. I might be in trouble, guys. I can't type right now. I think Carissa just told me to come get her.
Oh.
Let me see. Oh, 5:15. I gotta leave right now. It's a good thing I saw it. Whoa, that's a big knife.
Because of these ridges, the paint kind of got up underneath.
A little
So-
bit. I mean, you can't tell from a distance.
So our crisp lines were a pipe dream.
But have you seen like wheels sprayed with idler on them and stuff?
Yeah. They usually look pretty faded and janky.
Look terrible.
Yeah, they do. And from 3 feet, it looks amazing.
Yeah, dude, they look good. They look good. It looks like it says Bummer Desert.
Sweet. Bummer.
Like the little splits on the R are so little. Look.
Everybody's gonna be like, hey, your ends are backwards. And I'll be like, I know, thanks.
You'd be like, no, we printed it that way.
Yeah, but they'll continue to say that. They'll be like, hey, your ends are backwards. And I'll be like, yeah, thank you.
Dude, I don't think anybody's gonna notice.
Probably not. We're in southern Arizona. What's the education level out here?
Beau thinks he's so smart with his bald head.
I am smart. Let's do it with the truck in the background. Or am I just wrapping it up myself? Apparently, Ronnie's leaving me hanging out here.
I've been turning on the camera a lot and not telling Beau.
Look, this video's over. All right, Ronnie has betrayed my trust, so this video's over. It's done.
But
We'll see y'all later.
what do we do?
You're gonna say bye by yourself. Anyways, it's done. It looks. Are you recording? Or are you not recording? I don't know when he's recording and when he's not recording. So I don't know what to say.
Let me check.
We're done.
Yeah, it's recording.
Dear Lord. We're done. The truck looks good. I like the way it turned out. We need to add some more stickers to the fenders up here. I'm thinking between 10 and 15 stickers per side. So I'm gonna find some more good ones and print them out. If you have ideas for companies that I could put on the side that aren't like adult companies that make adult novelty products.
Should totally put like
PornTube?
yeah, PornTube or
Pornhub,
like xvideos.com.
RedTube.
Yeah.
Okay, so look for that. We're trying to keep this PG-13 at least. My goodness. Are we?
I mean,
We
we're
are.
not monetized yet.
All right.
Speaking of which, we're trying to get there, so subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
Assholes.
Click the little bell, and it'll tell you like when we post videos, if you don't already know.
All right.